How to disable internal microphone on Mac. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the very first step that you can do is firstly click on the Apple icon. It is the Apple logo at the top left corner of the main menu bar on your Mac. After doing that, you need to tap on the click system preferences that you will see just like this. After tapping on the click system preferences, tap on the sound icon option. It looks like a speaker. If you cannot see the main menu, click the three rows of dots at the top left corner of the window which displays Add Show All option in the earlier versions of Mac OS X. Now what you can simply do is click the input option. It's one of the three options from here along the top of the sound window. Now after that, click on the internal microphone to highlight it on the device menu, which you will see right here. And now what you can simply do is drag the input volume slider all the way down to the left. Now after doing that, you can simply solve your problem just like that by managing your internal microphone sound. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.